Daman.s is right back again. So it has really been a very long week, guys, and talking about today's video I've got is another Hot Wheel, but this is quite the special one, guys. It's got 2 out of 5 in HW green speed. It's none other than the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo. Well, this car has got a really long name, guys, and actually I've just recently, it was a long time ago, I unboxed the same kind of Porsche, but it was a cop car. It was the Porsche Panamera, guys, the cop Porsche Panamera. I just unboxed it. If you guys didn't watch that, just check that out. I think it'll be popping up on the screen right now. So, yep, guys, talking about today's video, it's a really cool car. It's very detailed compared to the previous Porsche Panamera, which I unboxed, but this is such a cool one, guys. Like, it's got some more features compared to the other one. So, yep, guys, talking about the last week's video was the paint job, guys. It was so damn awesome. It was quite interesting. And, yep, moving on to today's quick quiz. So, yep, guys, let's start off with the question. The question is, what does VTEC stands for? So, yep, the lights might be flashing in your brain right now. So, just put that answers down below in the comment box. I'll check that out. And, yep, guys, you know the drill. First for the unboxing, and then let's go for the information. So let's get on with it, guys. Guys, here the Porsche Panamera is out of the box, and wow, take a look at it. It's so damn cool. Like, it's got that glossed up headlamps, and the interior, the black interior is so damn amazing. But it misses the detailing at the front vents, but yeah, it is quite realistic. And just to make the comparison fair, I've got the 2015's version, the Porsche Panamera. So this is the cop car, so actually we can't quite compare them because this has got much more detailing, all the police and Hot Wheels badge and all. But still, guys, as we can talk about their rear, like, it's gotten much more detailing. Like, this Porsche has gotten much more cooler headlamps than the older ones, so that's obvious. And plus, it's got the side view mirrors, guys, the best part. It's so damn cool. And yep, talking about the front, it's quite similar though. Yeah, it's both the Porsche Panamera, so yep, it's similar. So yep, talking about the sides, actually this is quite longer in the length and also in the width. It's quite wider, guys, and this is much more cooler than the cop car. So yep, guys, as we have taken a clear around look on this car, so it's time to do one thing, the information. So let's go for it. So yep, guys, here we are to know something about this cool Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sports Turismo right here. It's not the 2015 one. So yep, guys, moving on to the production. The production actually began in 2009 and it's still continuing at the present. Well, talking about the body style, guys, the body style of the 2015 Porsche Panamera was actually the 5-door sedan. Well, over here, the new Sports Turismo is actually the 4-door sports wagon, guys. So yup, moving on to the engine, guys. The engine of the 2015 Porsche Panamera was actually a 3.6 liter V6, whereas the new Porsche Panamera, which is a sports turismo which I have right now, is actually 4-liter twin turbocharged V8, which is also an all-wheel drive, guys. It's got the massive V8. It's so cool. It's so awesome. So yeah, moving on to the transmission, guys. The transmission of this car is actually an 8-speed dual clutch manual, which can shift way too fast. So yep, guys, moving to the horsepower. The horsepower of this car is actually 680 in total. It's actually from the 550 horsepower from the engine and 136 horsepower from the electric motor, so combined 680 horsepower. So yep, guys, moving to the length of this car. The length of this car is actually 5,049 in millimeters. Talking about the width of this car is 1,937 in millimeters, guys. Going to the second best part, that's the 0-60 time. This car does it in 3.4 seconds, which is legit amazing, guys. And yup, coming to the best part, that's the top speed. Actually, this car does its top speed in 192 miles per hour, which is 310 kilometers per hour, guys. That's seriously amazing. So yeah, moving to the price, the last part of the information. The price of this car is actually ranging from $188,400 to $210,940, guys. It's really very expensive. So as I've ended up the information, it's time to go for one thing, the special facts. So let's go for it. Okay, guys, so this is quite a small one, but still it is cool. Well, the Panamera Turbo S is rated for its astounding 49 miles per gallon. Actually, 49 miles per gallon for an all-wheel drive that delivers 680 horsepower. Yep, that's quite incredible. Like, it's even got mileage too, guys. Well, yeah, it's actually, at the end, it's actually a sedan. So, yeah, guys, as I've ended up the video and the information, you guys know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys. Put your answers down below in the comments. And yep, if you want to talk about anything, just put that also on the comments. So I'll read that out, guys. Ciao. I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye now.